Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn one of the digraphs which make the sound sh, sh. When C is followed by I in the middle of the word, they make this sound sh, sh. For example, ancient, ancient. The ancient Egyptians built magnificent pyramids as tombs for their pharaohs. Musician, musician. The young musician practiced the guitar every day to improve his skills. Electrician, electrician. The electrician installed no loud fixtures in our living room. Magician, magician. The magician pulled a rabbit out of his hat and amazed the audience. Optician, optician. The optician helped me choose the perfect pair of glasses for my vision. Physician, physician. The physician examined patients' symptoms and ordered some tests. Delicious, delicious. The cake tasted delicious with ice creamy frosting. Precious, precious. The jeweler showed me a ring with a precious gemstone. Vicious, vicious. The dog became vicious when it felt threatened. Glacial, glacial. The hikers marveled at the breathtaking view of the glacial landscape. Financial, financial. She took a financial management course to learn how to budget and save money. Beneficial, beneficial. Eating fruits and vegetables is beneficial for your health. Social, social. The company organizes social events for its employees to promote team building and a positive work environment. Facial, facial. I could tell from his facial expression that he was surprised by the news. Crucial, crucial. It's crucial to wear a helmet while riding the bike to protect your head. Special, special. My grandmother cooked a special meal for my birthday. Official, official. The country's official language is Arabic. Artificial, artificial. The artificial flowers look just like the real ones. Thanks for watching and see you soon for another lesson.